Get ready to level up your financial knowledge. आपका स्वागत है इकोनॉमिक IQ में, जहां हम पैसा और अर्थशास्त्र को आपके लिए आसान बनाते हैं। हमारे बाइट साइज्ड क्विज वीडियोस का हिस्सा लीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए और पूरा वीडियो देखना तक कि आप अपने फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज को और बढ़ा सके। चलिए आज का क्विज शुरू करते हैं।
Your first question. What is the main goal of monetary policy? Take a look at the following options. A. Price stability. B. Economic growth. C. Job creation. D. Currency devaluation. Take a moment to think about your answer. Great job. The correct answer is A. Price stability. The primary objective of monetary policy is to maintain stable prices, keeping inflation under control to ensure the purchasing power of the currency remains steady. आपके अगले सवाल. Which tool is commonly used by central banks to manage inflation? Consider the choices below. A. Printing money. B. Adjusting interest rates. C. Controlling government spending. D. Implementing import restrictions. अपने जवाब पर एक बार सोचे। Well done. The correct answer is B. Adjusting interest rates. Central banks often use interest rate adjustments to influence borrowing costs, which can help control inflationary pressures in the economy. Time for the next question. True or false, central banks are responsible for issuing banknotes and coins in circulation. नीचे दिया गए ऑप्शंस को देखें। A. True. B. False. Take your time to consider the options. That's correct. The answer is A. True. Central banks are typically responsible for issuing and controlling the supply of banknotes and coins to ensure the smooth functioning of the economy. चलिए अगले सवाल में आगे बढ़े। How does a central bank use open market operations to influence the money supply? Here are the possible answers. A. Buying and selling government securities. B. Setting reserve requirements for banks. C. Providing loans to commercial banks. D. Regulating foreign exchange rates. थोड़ा समय ले अपने उत्तर पर विचार करने के लिए। Well done. The correct answer is A. Buying and selling government securities. Open market operations involve the buying and selling of government securities, such as bonds, by the central bank to control the money supply and interest rates. Agle question. Which central bank is responsible for monetary policy in the United States? नीचे दिया गए ऑप्शंस को देखें। A. Federal Reserve. B. European Central Bank. C. Bank of England. D. Reserve Bank of India. Contemplate your answer carefully. Fantastic job. The correct answer is A. Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve, often referred to as the Fed, is the central bank of the United States and has the authority to set and implement monetary policy. Get ready for your next question. True or false? Central banks act as lenders of last resort during financial crisis to provide liquidity to banks. Take a look at the following options. A. True. B. False. अपने जवाब पर एक बार सोच ले। Great job. The correct answer is C. True. Central banks play a crucial role in maintaining financial stability by acting as lenders of last resort, ensuring that banks have access to liquidity during times of financial stress. आपके अगले सवाल के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। What is the role of a central bank in regulating commercial banks? Consider the choices below. A. Supervising banking operations. B. Setting interest rates on loans. C. Approving bank mergers and acquisitions. D. Auditing bank financial statements. अपने उत्तर पर विचार करने के लिए थोड़ा समय ले। Great job. The correct answer is A. Supervising banking operations. Central banks have the responsibility of supervising and regulating commercial banks to maintain a safe and stable banking system. Time for the next question. What is the main purpose of the discount rate set by the central bank? Let's explore the available options. A. To control inflation. B. To influence exchange rates. C. To regulate bank reserves. D. To provide loans to the government. Take your time to consider the options. Well done. The correct answer is C. To regulate bank reserves. The discount rate is the interest rate at which commercial banks can borrow funds from the central bank, impacting the level of bank reserves and liquidity. Let's dive into the next question. How does a central bank use reserve requirements to affect the money supply? Here are the possible answers. A. Increasing reserve requirements reduces the money supply. B. Decreasing reserve requirements increases the money supply. C. Reserve requirements have no impact on the money supply. D. Reserve requirements only affect foreign currency reserves. थोड़ा समय ले अपने आंसर डीन के पहले. That's correct. The answer is A. Increasing reserve requirements reduces the money supply. Increasing reserve requirements means banks must hold a higher proportion of their deposits as reserves, reducing the amount available for lending and ultimately decreasing the money supply in the economy. Aapke last question. What is the role of a central bank in managing exchange rates? Now, for your consideration, we have the following options. A. Determining the foreign currency reserves. B. Setting the value of the national currency. C. Regulating currency exchange transactions. D. Monitoring international trade flows. अपने जवाब पर एक बार सोच ले. Well done. The correct answer is B. Setting the value of the national currency. Central banks can intervene in foreign exchange markets to influence the value of their currency, aiming to maintain stability and support economic objectives.
Congratulations! आपने आज का क्विज पूरा कर लिया है. अपने फाइनेंशियल ज्ञान को टेस्ट कीजिए हमारे वीडियोस के साथ. अपना स्कोर कमेंट में शेयर करना ना भूलिए और इकोनॉमिक IQ के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर एंड कीप बिल्डिंग योर इकोनॉमिक IQ. See you in the next video.